that a turtle?
No, it's a beaver. It's been decapitated by somebody. It's been reported already to the state.
Wow.
So they asked to be moved into the water.
Somebody hit it with a boat, maybe?
I don't think so. Both its head and tail was really, they were cleanly decapitated. It looked quite deliberate. So
Wow.
we're with the state and they just called and asked us to move it.
Thank you. So it's a decapitated beaver. Never heard of it. His head's missing. Seems like you want to keep the fur, not the head. So they got the floodgates open more. The river is at slightly over 5,000. Saturday it's going to be the same. It's going to be pretty warm. So both these signs are new. Talking about tail race fishing area, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So before the 1980, I think it was 1985, this canal was not here. The bridge wasn't here, and all those sediment ponds over there, they were not here either. And you could walk across here, and you could walk to the bubble hole and fish from the bank. As a matter of fact, I think that's the first way that I got to it and found out it's a good spot to fish, was as a teenager walking. It's about a mile, but it used to just be farmland. So it'd be plowed fields. You could walk down. You didn't have to go through the trees. Yeah, so this bridge didn't used to be here. They built this bridge so they could get to the, it's probably 800 acres of sediment ponds on the other side of the bridge. And when he built this in the 80s, they shut down a lot of good fishing from the bank. And a lot of people ask me about this canal. Is there any fish in it? It's super shallow. It kind of looks deep, but it's not. And I have been all the way up using a trolling motor. And personally, I've never caught any bass or stripers in here. There could be some brim, maybe some crappie, but I don't think it's that good of a place to fish. Hey, all right. So they finally letting some water through. This is double what it was Monday. This is 5,500. Looks like the river's got a little color to it. I think it's slightly stained. Supposed to be warm Saturday. I'm thinking about going.